Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making fish stew. So here is tatashe. Is it tatashe or shombo, whichever one they call it. Onions, 8 habanero pepper. The fish I will be using, I've grilled the fish already. Sliced onions for frying, oil, that is tomato paste, thyme, curry powder, that is garlic, seasoning cube and salt. So let's dive into the video. Now I've added everything inside the blender, so it's time for me to blend it. Our stew is ready. As you can see, it is fully ready and popping in the pot. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share me out if you like it, and don't forget to also give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Guys, join me as I'm set to go and demolish this portion you are seeing here. Join me, join me, join me, join me, join me, join me, join me.